Top 5 apps like Roborock Max Ultra review that actually work today. The Roborock Max Ultra is a high-tech robotic vacuum, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's the only app-compatible smart cleaning device worth considering. The surprising truth is there are several apps that enhance robotic vacuum control and smart home integration today. First, Robot Home supports Roomba devices and provides detailed cleaning reports, scheduling, and remote control. Users love its map-based navigation and notifications. Second, Ecava's Home works with debit vacuums, offering multi-floor mapping and smart scheduling. Customers highlight its simple interface and reliability. Third, Neato Robotics app offers room mapping, no-co zones, and advanced cleaning modes. Users appreciate precise control over their devices. Fourth, Proshinic Home works with Proshinic vacuums for scheduling, voice control, and real-time alerts. Customers enjoy easy integration with smart assistants. Finally, Xiaomi Home supports various Xiaomi smart devices, including vacuums. Users report convenient automation and comprehensive control features. Pro tip: using these apps can help you fully customize cleaning schedules, monitor performance, and integrate your robotic vacuum into a smart home ecosystem. Exploring alternatives ensures you find the perfect app-device combination. These 5 apps provide smarter, more flexible ways to manage robotic vacuums beyond just one platform.